The process of measuring your blood pressure is not painful. When you go to a nearby health facility, they will explain to you what they are going to do. But even when they don't, it's not painful. Just put your hand, they wrap a cuff on the arm, and then they get your blood pressure measured. It's not painful, but it's life-saving. Why? Because today or now you might be okay, but by tomorrow you might be dead, or you might sustain a life-threatening complication which will make you live the rest of your life in a different way. For example, you might not be able to walk again because one of your legs is paralyzed permanently. You might not be able to see again. You might not be able to hold again. You might not regain your consciousness again. It's not painful. I emphasize, blood pressure measurement is not painful. It's just a cuff like this one. So, have I died? I have not died. Some people fear that when they go and get their blood pressure measured, they'll give them bad news. Maybe they have a high blood pressure, so they have to start taking medication, so they are going to live on medication for life and all those things. I want to say, just because you have not gone to the health facility to get your blood pressure measured, if you have it, it doesn't mean it will not cause the severe damages it's meant to cause. So prevention is better than cure. It's in the best interest of your health for you to find out the medical problem that you have. It's better to know it early and get solution for it. It's better for you to know that you have something and find a solution for it than waiting and then come to hospital when you are already badly off and little can be done to save your life. Mwanguzi Shadrack, Health Touch Uganda, follow the light.